What's up, everybody? It's your boy Brucee-b here again with Zeta and Emma. We're going to do a taste test of these sodas. These ones aren't really nasty sodas. They're just different flavored, like cherries and creams type stuff. So here we go. We're doing really small ones. Oops.
Oh, it smells good.
Yeah, it smells good. It's not too bad.
It tastes kind of stale.
Kind of stale. It's got a weird aftertaste.
Like cardboard.
Yeah. Next is carrot cake.
I'm really excited about that one.
We're doing very little ones. We don't need a lot. This is, you get taste with it just from a little bit. So
That's good.
she likes it.
It tastes like pumpkin, kinda.
Yeah,
No,
it
it
does.
tastes like that gingerbread Mountain Dew.
Oh. Speaking of gingerbread Mountain Dew, I actually have one in the fridge we're supposed to try.
It's awful.
It's awful.
It's
I guess we won't try it.
horrible. It's not horrible.
Oh,
to
yeah.
me.
Since y'all have tried it, we won't do it. So, okay. Next is strawberries and cream. This one should be good. It's pretty good.
It's good.
I'm gonna drink all that one. That was good.
Yep.
You like it? Yeah. Next we have peaches and cream.
It's my favorite fruit soda is peach soda.
Let's see what we got.
That kind of stinks.
Smells like peach.
It's okay.
Tastes
Not
like
bad.
peach soda.
Yep, tastes like a peach soda. Not bad. That one wasn't bad. Apple pie. Smells very appley. Yeah.
It tastes like perfume.
Yeah. It's not good at all.
It tastes like something I can't think of.
Almost tastes like liquor.
I was gonna say it kind of reminded me of alcohol of some kind.
Yeah. Oh, this one is lemon meringue pie.
actually gonna be weird. God.
It was like lemonade.
Yeah, it does smell like lemonade.
Tastes like lemonade.
Yeah. Tastes just like lemonade.
Minute Maid lemonade.
Tastes like you know those popsicles that you freeze? Tastes like the lemonade one.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about? Didn't we just have one?
Key lime pie.
I don't really like it.
The last two are not very exciting. That smells good.
It smells like frog spit.
Smells like the lemon meringue pie. Tastes just like it too.
Yeah.
You never had frog spit?
I think I have. Yeah, I have.
It's not
It's
bad.
just lime sherbet.
I know what you're talking about. Not excited for that one.
This one is
Coffee cake.
coffee cake. And these are 42 grams of sugar, so you don't want to drink the whole thing.
Oh.
Doesn't smell that good.
It tastes like cake.
It doesn't taste too bad, but I'm not gonna finish it.
It tastes like vanilla cake.
Yeah. It tastes very vanilla-y.
It's like if you put coffee creamer through a soda stream machine.
Yeah. And the last one for me, because my birthday coming up, birthday cake.
Oh.
Does it
Oh.
smell bad?
It smells like feet. That does not smell good.
Well, if I can get it all. Smells like birthday cake. Tastes like birthday cake. Like a birthday cake soda, like it's supposed to.
Why is this one fizzier than the rest of it?
I don't like it.
It's not too bad, but
You want me to try the whole thing? I'm willing to try it.
yeah, she's gonna taste the whole concoction.
It smells like feet.
Oh, it does. It smells like feet. Like, no lie.
Ooh. It's not horrible, but it's nasty.
Alright, well, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Oh, you gonna try it too? It's not good.
It's
No.
nasty.
Alright, well, thanks for watching. Click, share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we'll see you next time.